You can precisely align objects in the software. There are 7 different tools that you can use for this. Alignment may be accomplished through the Arrange toolbox, through the Arrange menu, and here you see the 7 different ways to align objects, or also through a right-click menu and choose Align in Space, and then you'll see the 7 different options. There is no alignment option in color film. You will select the objects you wish to align, holding the Control key down to select multiples. Objects are going to be aligned with the last object selected. If you use Control A to select the objects, then they're going to be aligned with the last object in the sequence. So in this case, with the pink object. And so you can see the results a little bit easier. I'm going to go into Hoop and I'm going to activate manual centering. You'll be able to see the effects a little bit better. I've got a grouped object. I'm going to have to right click and ungroup it first to align it. And let's first start with Align Centers Vertically. And I'll select the green object last and right click, Align in Space, and Align Centers Vertically. So you can see how all the objects aligned with the last object I selected. Now let's undo that, and this time do Control A and Align Centers Vertically. This time they aligned with the pink object because it was the last object in the sequence. Let's activate each one of these to see how they align. Align left is going to align, in this case, the purple and the green object with the pink object because it was the last in the sequence. Align right will align with the right side. Align top will bring all the objects down to the same level as the pink. I'll undo that, and then we'll align centers horizontally. And you can see that all the centers align then with the pink object. And then align bottom. And finally, align centers. So you can use the alignment tools to get your designs aligned precisely